Hey folks, Farmer Joe here. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video to show you exactly what you can expect when you purchase your eighth of a beef from our family farm. Let's get right into it. When you purchase your eighth of beef, you can expect it to arrive in 2 boxes. If you're in our shipping region that we're going to ship it to your home, expect it to arrive in these insulated boxes that will keep it cold and frozen during the transit time to your home. Otherwise, in our local region, or if you pick up here at the farm, it will be in a different size cardboard box. So to start, we'll always pack it with ice when we're shipping it to you to keep it frozen. But you can expect some of these slow savory roast in it. We have a beef rolled rump roast, beef chuck roast. Typically on our eighth of beef, there's 3 of these chuck roast included. Those are perfect for the slow cooker. Then we get into some yummy steaks. We got the beef sizzler steak. The beef sizzler steak comes from the sirloin area. We have 3 to 4 packages of those you can expect on your eighth of beef. 1 package of a tenderloin filet. Then we have a couple packages of the beef sirloin steak. Then we have a Dellamonico steak. The Dellamonico steak is very similar. It is the ribeye, and it is delicious. It's probably the best steak, most popular by far on our farm. It's also going to include about 3 to 4 packages of these round tenderized steaks. The round tenderized steak takes a little more preparing to do it right, but it is a delicious steak when it's cooked properly. In our final box, we're gonna find some beef porterhouse steaks. It's gonna include 2 of the beef porterhouse steaks on this eighth beef share. These are delicious. It's the best of both worlds steak, because on one side you got your tenderloin and the other side is your strip steak. Then we have the T-bone steaks. T-bone steaks are also delicious, very popular steaks. The only difference between those and a porterhouse is there's not much of that fillet left. This is when the fillet tapers off naturally. Then the rest of the box is, for the most part, going to just be our ground beef, our very popular 1-pound chub packages of ground beef. This is a staple item in everybody's household. We eat lots of ground beef. Our children love the ground beef for dinner, lunch, breakfast. It doesn't matter. Ground beef is a staple item. So there you have it. You can expect 2 boxes, typically about 40% of it, 30 to 40% is going to be ground beef. And then your final amount is going to be an assortment of steaks and then about 4 savory roast. Okay, folks, there you have it. You got a box here of our ever popular ground beef and then all of these other delicious cuts of meat. Here's one of those Dellamonico steaks. Delicious. And then we have some of those T-bone steaks, porterhouse steaks. So lots of variety of cuts. A lot of steaks, and then some of these savory roast for the slow cooker. So that's what you can expect on your eighth of beef share. All right, guys, that's what you can expect for your eighth of beef share. Be sure to go ahead and order online above. At checkout, you can select your harvest date and when you want to have your beef delivered. We look forward to serving you. We appreciate your willingness to look into us and trust us to feed your family. Thank you, and God bless.